So, is salami part of the category known as charcuterie? Well, no, it's not. That's the end of the video. Thanks for joining. Or wait, maybe it is. Let's take a quick dive to see what even is charcuterie. Charcuterie is derived from the French term charcute, meaning cooked flesh. Charcuterie is a culinary art that dates back thousands of years ago. It focuses on the preservation and transformation of meat products prior to refrigeration. It encompasses a wide range of techniques, including confit, smoking, curing, poaching, and terrine making. You might say to yourself, well, when I go out to eat, I see salami on my charcuterie board. Isn't salami preserved meats? Well, that is a good point. What even is salami? Let's take a look. The word salumi, that's right, with a U, is derived from the Latin term salumen, meaning something salted or seasoned with salt. Salumi is the term used to describe a variety of uncooked Italian salted and air-dried meats like prosciutto, bresaola, pancetta, guanciale, and you guessed it, salami. So therefore, salami is a type of salumi. So, is it semantics? Well, in Europe, each country and region pride themselves on the ancient traditions of the past and what they represent. Charcuterie to France, salumi to Italy, embutidos to Spain, and Wurstwaren to Germany. But here in America, culinary traditions brought over from France have been fully embraced as a foundation to so many young cooks' repertoire, more than any other European region. And this includes charcuterie, like pâtés, rillettes, cooked hams, and so on. With that being said, the term charcuterie has evolved to dominate the cured meat board across the country as an all-encompassing term to describe different cured meat crafts from all over the world. So tell me, are we being lazy? Is this a disservice to Italy, Spain, and Germany? Or should we go above and beyond to respect the regional differences by identifying them properly? If you agree or disagree, let me know in the comments below. Let's talk about it.